Good morning, everyone. Today I am starting my day with some modern history portion and some of Indian polity MCQs. I have to tell you something more important today about my communication skills because I'm not very good in communication, and there is a reason behind it because I'm not from a English medium school, and there is not a single event or moment where I have to speak in English, and that's why I have to think twice and thrice before speaking. But initially, I tried not to be perfect in speaking, and I was ready to making more mistakes while speaking. But now I'm becoming very anxious about my speaking. I cannot speak things without thinking, and this is becoming a problem. And but in spite of this, I am trying my level best to improving my English. I hope I will one day will achieve this target also. And that's why I have started the study vlog channel where I can speak more because I don't have any moment, any a single moment where I have to speak in English. So I have got this platform and using this platform as a way to improve my English speaking. And this is also helping me in becoming consistent and accountable because while studying while shooting this video, I become very conscious and I do not move from studies. Until the evening, I studied in the terrace, and it is very good environment because I feel very calm and solace in the outside instead of my inside table. And then I have done some prayer to my Lord Krishna, and then I have studied some pages of this ebook of Khushbu Patani, who is also my role model. Now I have realized that it is not a very easy journey of communication because I have to take out some time to for communication, but I'm not able to do this. That's why I am making this study vlog so that I can have some conversation with me while making these videos, and I will consistently do this no matter how it sounds. And thank you so much for listening till this time.